The southern region of the Institute of Indian Foundrymen welcomes you to the city of enterprise and hospitality. The city where business meets pleasure in all the right blends. An emerging metropolis where people and culture converge. A city with a glorious history. A city called Coimbatore.
Hello, greetings from the 64th IFC and IFEX. As the chairman of the organizing committee of the 64th IFC and IFEX, I have great pleasure in extending a warm welcome to the members for the 64th IFC and IFEX to be held in Coimbatore.
Near the southern tip of India, in the state of Tamil Nadu, exists this amazing piece of land. Magnificent mountains, rivers and evergreen forests punctuate the landscape. The city is blessed with salubrious climate and a clean, invigorating environment. The Siruvani water, world acclaimed for its sweet taste, is available in abundance. The city has been a top performer in many of the recent surveys on key parameters like investment, business, education and finance. With a population of over 2 million and a strong economy, it is the second largest growing industrial city in South India with exports of nearly 75 billion rupees from the region. The people here are born entrepreneurs, adept at wealth creation. The rich black soil of the region contributed to its flourishing agriculture. From agriculture, it took to textiles. It stepped into light engineering industry, and today, 1 in every 2 pumps manufactured in the country is made in Coimbatore. It also caters to global auto majors through its vibrant auto component industry. Coimbatore is also a major manufacturing center for textile machinery, foundry, industrial valves, food processing machines, construction equipment. It focused on education, and today it has the highest concentration of educational institutions in the country. Coimbatore is also a fast-developing hub for clean tech industries like wind, solar power and electric vehicle industry. The city with a glitter accounts for a sizable share of jewelry manufacturing and exports. Coimbatore has emerged as one of the leading medical destinations in the Asia Pacific. Strategically located at the intersection of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, Coimbatore is well connected by air, rail and road. Luxurious to business to budget accommodation make stay comfortable and affordable for the visitors. Multi-cuisine restaurants, popular hotel chains and bistros offering authentic South Indian delicacies tickle your taste buds. The South Indian filter coffee and Mysore Pa are a must-try. Coimbatore has great places to be explored. For the sporting kind, there is a Formula 3 racetrack and an 18-hole golf course, one of the finest in the country. For the adventurous, there are wildlife sanctuaries at Mudumalai and Topslip, and quite a few trekking spots and reserves of exotic flora and fauna in the nearby Silent Valley. For the crowning glory, the queen of hill stations, Ooty, and the pride of India, Kodaikanal, are great weekend retreats. And if you're looking for some soul-searching and quiet, peaceful time, the city is home to many prominent places of worship and spiritual leaders too. One would find world-renowned and historic places of worship and tranquil ashrams at just a few hours' drive. Shopping is definitely worth the time here. The cotton apparel, hosiery products, saris, khadi products and handicrafts are a must-buy here. When it comes to the foundry industry, Coimbatore is one of India's 5 major foundry clusters with over 600 foundry units. The foundries of Coimbatore cater to the requirements of aluminium, iron and steel castings, which find applications in a wide range of industries like aerospace, automobile, chemical, off-highway, transportation and also to the local pump and textile industry. Coimbatore foundries also export more than 4 billion rupees of high-quality engineered castings and machined components world over. The Indian Foundry Congress 2016 will be a confluence of ideas, bringing together the latest in design, technology, product and foundry men from across the globe.
Hello Foundry Fraternity. It is indeed a great privilege and pleasure to be associated with the 64th IFC and 2016 IFEX to be held in Coimbatore between January 29th and 31st, 2016. I extend a warm welcome and invite our Foundry Fraternity to participate in this flagship event of the foundry industry in India. The theme of the event is Nurturing Manufacturing. In consonance with the Government of India's emphasis on manufacturing and its policy of Make in India, the Institute of Indian Foundrymen is all set to join hands and stand shoulder to shoulder with the Indian industry to double the share of manufacturing as envisaged by the Government of India. Please do participate in the upcoming 64th IFC and IFEX, where globally recognized experts, technologists and customers will be sharing their thoughts on nurturing manufacturing and the opportunities and challenges relating to scaling up or doubling our production. Jai Hind.
There are plenty of reasons why you must be here. Over 160,000 square feet of segregated, neatly aligned exhibition spaces with state-of-the-art infrastructure and facilities. 5 fully air-conditioned exhibition halls with a total floor area of 19,000 square meters. 19,000 square meter open space to hold outdoor meetings. A well-landscaped open-air theatre and 3 air-conditioned seminar halls. All this at Intech Technology Centre, one of Asia's largest and private trade fair complexes. Well then, what can hold you back now? Coimbatore beckons you. Come and enjoy hospitality and growth, business and pleasure. Come, let's meet and grow together. Welcome to the Indian Foundry Congress 2016. Nurturing manufacturing.